Dave here with Half Dozen Customs. Stupid crap. Back on the 49 today. It's late at night, so I'm not going to be out here very long. It's after 10 o'clock already. I had a long day of mowing the property. We have a big property here with a little mower, so it's taken me the last 3 days. I got rained out yesterday, so day before I did the whole front section, and then yesterday I started working on the back, and I got rained out. So today I went out there and finished that. I had almost 5 hours just in mowing, so but I cleaned out the deck and changed the blades on the mower and fixed the hood, and so it was kind of a property kind of day today. So I'm gonna come out here. We got, like I said last night, we got this marker light here that we gotta weld up. So but I got sandblast around it before we can weld it up. So I'm gonna get to sandblasting and let's get some stuff done. Let's at least get a little bit of stuff done. This may be a short video, but thanks for joining us. Get some safety equipment.
Well, be careful, man. Be careful. We're using the house. Safety. Safety first, then teamwork.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Attractive and possessing charm. Pleasant, clear. Well executed.
Let's get the welder. Okay, so that's it. Got all that stuff welded up. I do got weld a little bit more under this edge. It was ripped there. You can see it's ripped on the fender that was originally on the truck. The other one that's going on this side's ripped. It just looks like it's a common spot for these Jeeps. So I do have to weld a little bit more underneath there. But anybody that welds knows, you know, it's a pain in the butt to weld upside down. The molten metal just wants to drip back into the tip of the gun, so I'll get that when I have the fender off. But it's gone, nice and smooth. I mean, I bet I could prime that and get away with it. No Bondo needed. So, but there's this body line that goes in here, and that's where the rip was. I got that welded up and cleaned up. I got it to a nice point. It looks good. So. So, you know, it looks good, nice and shiny. You can almost see where that marker light was. So, and then that, you know, that crack that was busted all the way through. So, got that nice and cleaned up. So, you see over here on the other fender, you know, that's what we were welding up. That's what it looked like. So, and you can see it's not quite cracked there, but it is all rotted out. Who knows what it'll look like once we get it sandblasted. But you can see on the one that I pulled off, you know, it's got issues there. Same spot. You know, it's got issues there. It's all broken, cracked, same spot. It's just an issue with those fenders there. So, but that's it. I'm gonna call it a night. That's, you know, that was the next step that I had in mind. I do got to put a couple of tacks down there before I pull the fender off. But I can do that tomorrow. Cause I think I just got to put 3 tacks along the underside of the fender. But I need to get under there and sandblast those 3 spots where I'm going to put a tack. So I'll do that tomorrow, and I guess that's it. So thanks for joining us. Like, subscribe, share, leave a comment. I'm out.